So this is, you guessed it, the Lego soda machine I made. Yeah. Well, basically in the title above. Yeah. So you didn't really have to guess it's written. So yeah. This is the front. This is the back. Side. Side. Really no decoration. Yeah. So these are the buttons. They're written. This is Coke. This is coffee. Okay, this is coffee. This is root beer. This is Sprite. This is Sprite Zero. And this is called ginger ale. This is ginger ale. So I'll just get my Coke right now. And then the Coke comes out front. See? This is the Coke. So, yeah, I drink it. Yeah, boom, down my Coke. I'll get my coffee. Ready? Coffee comes down. Yep, that is coffee. Yeah. Yeah, I can drink my coffee. Yeah, now I'll just get some root beer. This is the root beer. It's tan. It might look white or something. I don't know. Computers these days. Okay. Now I'm gonna get some Sprite. Yeah. Yeah. My Sprite. Yeah. We'll get some Sprite Zero. Sprite Zero. Gray. And then ginger ale. Green. Yeah. Oh. Really works. It's actually kind of two different things. A little bit. It's almost like it's two different things, but I don't know. Yeah. Well, I got it off of like a tutorial, but I modded it up, I modified it, and I made it better. Yeah. So this is it. This is Exotica, and I'm signing out.